Hey guys, it's your boy Crypto Maniac. It has been quite some time, I've been busy. So I'm going to start posting video updates on YouTube again, plus some additional YouTube videos. For example, today I'm going to show you how I trade with VWAPs, with volume weighted average price. So it's a good indicator for confidence, looking for any major acceptance below value. You can treat it as value area with standard deviation. But before starting this new video, I want to thank Max C for sponsoring this video. And if you don't know yet, I'm doing a 1k giveaway with Max C, so 5 people win $200. 50 people need to sign up at least so the giveaway can start, and it will end in 20 days. So you also get $25 for free, which you can also withdraw, I think, and 5 people win each $200. So free money. Just go in. I'm gonna drop the link in the comments. Create an account here, then deposit at least $500 and make a trade either on spot or futures with more than 10,000 volume. That's a 20x leverage long with $500, and you got the 10,000 volume already. So it's a one trade, easy. You get $25 for free, plus you enter the giveaway. 5 people win $200, so free money. And once we have reached 50 signups, I will start copy trading on the Maxi copy trading platform. So you have still 20 days left, and just create an account and do as I said. Deposit $500 and make at least 20,000 futures volumes. As I said, 20x leverage, $500, one trade. It's easy, and you get the chance to get free money plus enter into this big giveaway. So back to the video. As you can see, this is our yearly VWAP. Let me go into the daily. As you can see, this one in which we are currently is the yearly VWAP, and the above one is that from the previous year. So the blue line is the VWAP, and then I got standard deviation from 1 and -1. So you can treat these areas as value area high and value area low of the yearly VWAP. This is the quarterly VWAP now currently in the current quarterly VWAP from July. So yes, and the above one is that from the previous quarter. Same here, weekly. This is the previous VWAP, and this starting from I think 5th September is the current. I don't really look at current VWAP, weekly VWAP, as it doesn't give much data. So always, in my opinion, the previous VWAPs are more important than the developing ones. Same here, that's the monthly VWAP, currently lost the value area low, so the standard deviation of -1. So yes, that's how I configure them now, and how I treat them and trade, so as they give some nice confluence. Starting from the weekly VWAP, as you can see, during the past VWAP, we got a nice retest. Wait, give me a sec now. So as you can see, regarding here, got a nice retest of the previous week's VWAP, which was a nice scalp long with how much percent were they? Yeah, like 2.5% for just looking at the previous VWAP, gave a nice bounce, but then retested the current developing VWAP area low. Clear acceptance, which was a short, and second time going below this previous VWAP, and retesting the previous VWAP value area low. As you can see, we caught, we touched that and even went below. Now trying to trying to gain some acceptance above the previous week value area low. So let's see how this is going to play out here. We want to see this 1510 level to hold. As I said, it's also the previous week's VWAP value area low. Some more confidence, you can see we took out these lows, when take out and then reclaim, and then you can play along till the previous week VWAP. So really simple looking at this low time frame chart on the weekly. Also, what I do is look at the yearly, at the quarterly, at the weekly and the monthly at the same time, and if there are some overlapping levels, then it just gives more confluence. So now looking at the monthly, the developing monthly, as I already told you guys, lost it. Also here, nice easy scalp acceptance below the developing monthly VWAP is a short. Yeah, exactly. Your first target will be the value area low, lose it, and then you will be looking at the previous monthly VWAP, which for now was above it. As you can see, this was the VWAP of August, and this big one, as you can see, is from July. So looking, or is it? Yeah, it's from July. So a good level to be looking at once if we can't reclaim this developing monthly here at 1550. So as you can see here, 1510, 1550, some important levels to look at ETH. And if you can't reclaim, as I told you here, this July monthly VWAP is a good area to be looking for at 1410. Exactly, as you can see, we couldn't reclaim the previous monthly VWAP of August. Didn't even retest it quite, as we already rejected quite below it. And so a reclaim of this level here at 1705 will give a really nice push, and could give a push to at least 1850, which also would overlap with this developing quarterly value area high. So as I said, you want to see for same levels on the different time frames of the VWAPs, and the quarterly value area high is coinciding with the monthly value area high nearly. So that's a real good level to look if we can reclaim this previous monthly VWAP. Reclaims of previous level monthly, weekly, or yearly, quarterly VWAPs are strong levels to go long, or if you see acceptance below them, to go short. That's how I trade them. And looking at the quarterly, you have been seeing we have been struggling to reclaim this level for quite some time, but here again, we've been trading quite above the quarterly VWAP for quite some time, then came back down, acceptance into the value area of the quarterly, and then retesting the quarterly VWAP, so easy long once again. Then what you want to be seeing here again, we lose it and long reclaim, or get a nice short of acceptance below it. We didn't see, we got this small range here, and then got this nice acceptance on the lower time frame. Let's switch to the 4 hour. As you can see, got this nice acceptance here for trading view is lagging for me since the last update, so for that. As you can see here, nice acceptance, and got this nice push from 1550 to 1680. We didn't quite get the retest of these highs. Everyone has been watching 1700 level, but still a nice trade. And now we want to see the retest of this quarterly VWAP. So 1570 is a big important level on the quarterly VWAP, and acceptance below rejection is a clear short, and first swing maybe in here to take profit at the value area low of the quarterly. So that's it. To be honest, how I trade with VWAPs, you want to have this 4-chart layout of the weekly, of the monthly, of the quarterly, and of the yearly. Now you may be going to ask, where is the daily? I don't think the daily is that important. Maybe the previous days, but not the developing days, not much data. So maybe can give you some confidence on whether you should long above the daily VWAP or go short below the daily VWAP, but that's it. So I don't think the daily is that important compared to the weekly, monthly, quarterly, and yearly VWAP. If you have any questions, just let me know. But to make it simple, previous VWAPs are more important than the developing ones, and you want to see clear acceptance back into the value area is a long, so, or a short. So if we are trading above the value area and then coming back and then going into this value area, it's a short. And same with the other side, if you see us trading below the value area for VWAP and then going back into it, it's a long. And you can call it your mean or whatever, but it's a VWAP is a nice target to be looking for. So that's how I treat them, and in my opinion, it's a really good confidence besides of normal flow. So it's in the end, it's the average price, and it has been giving good confluence. For settings, you can take the trading view VWAP, set the standard deviation to 1 and -1, and I think that's it. So if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments, and if this video gets 30 likes, then I will do a exocharts introduction for newbies who don't know what to do with exocharts but have been into flow. I think I can give a nice introduction into exocharts, maybe share the charts I've been using, the templates I've been using for exocharts. So just leave some likes, and the next video will be a nice one. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you us next time.